Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled Reinforcement Learning Fundamentals. AI that learns by doing. Like training a pet. Welcome to AI for Developers. Today, we're diving into reinforcement learning. RL. A fascinating branch of AI where programs learn by interacting with their environment. Much like how you'd train a pet. Instead of being told exactly what to do, our AI figures things out through trial and error, getting rewards for good behavior. As a developer, understanding this opens up new possibilities for creating intelligent systems that adapt and improve over time. Imagine teaching a puppy to sit. You don't program every muscle movement. Instead, you wait for it to accidentally sit, then give a treat, a positive reward. If it jumps, you withhold the treat, a negative signal. RL works the same way. An AI program tries actions, observes the outcome, and learns which actions lead to rewards and which don't. It's all about learning from experience, not from pre-coded rules. Every RL setup has key players. 1. Agent. This is our AI program. The learner, like the puppy. 2. Environment. The world the agent interacts with. Your living room. 3. State. The current situation in the environment. The puppy is standing. You say, sit. 4. Action. What the agent does in a given state. The puppy tries to sit, or barks. 5. Reward. The feedback from the environment, a numerical signal. Positive for good actions. A treat. 0 or negative for bad ones. No treat. A gentle no. How does our AI decide what to do? It uses something called a policy. Think of the policy as the agent's brain or its strategy manual. It's a set of rules or a function that tells the agent which action to take when it's in a particular state. Initially, this policy might be random. The puppy might try anything. But over time, as it receives rewards, the agent updates its policy to choose actions that lead to more rewards. Reinforcement learning is a continuous loop. 1. The asterisk agent asterisk observes the current asterisk state asterisk of the asterisk environment. 2. Based on its asterisk policy, it decides and performs an asterisk action. 3. The asterisk environment asterisk reacts to the action, transitioning to a new asterisk state. 4. The asterisk environment asterisk gives the agent a asterisk reward, or penalty. 5. The asterisk agent asterisk uses this reward to update its asterisk policy, learning from its experience. This cycle repeats thousands, even millions of times, until the agent has learned the best strategy to maximize its rewards. The AI's objective isn't just to get one treat, but to learn a sequence of actions that results in the asterisk most treats over the asterisk long term. It's not about immediate gratification, but about finding a strategy, a policy, that leads to the greatest total reward over many interactions. As a developer, you define what those treats are and what the game looks like for your AI. Reinforcement learning powers many exciting applications. Game AI. AI agents that master complex games like chess, Go, or even video games, often surpassing human capabilities. Robotics. Teaching robots to walk, grasp objects, or navigate complex environments without explicit programming for every movement. Autonomous driving. Training self-driving cars to make decisions in real time, like accelerating, braking, or changing lanes. Resource management. Optimizing energy consumption in data centers or managing traffic flow. For developers, RL offers a powerful paradigm for solving problems where traditional programming falls short, especially in dynamic, uncertain environments. This introduction just scratches the surface. As a developer, Your journey into RL might involve defining the environment, states, actions, and reward functions for your specific problem. Tools and libraries like OpenAI Gym or stable baselines make it easier to get started. Reinforcement learning is about building intelligent systems that truly learn by doing, making them incredibly adaptable and powerful. Ready to train your own AI pet? Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.